How to translate a document in Google Docs. This is what I am going to show you in this short tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for you need to open your document. I have already opened my document and it is in front of me. Now if I want to translate this document into any other language, what I need to do is that I need to click Tools, and from the drop down menu I need to come here, Translate Document, and here you can see that it will give you an option of choose your language. From the drop down list you can select the languages. This would include almost all those languages which are available in the Google Translate feature, which I believe are more than 100. For the sake of this tutorial, I am going to translate this document into Arabic, so I will select Arabic and then I need to just press translate. It will open the document into a new tab, and once it will open, the document would be translated into the new language. In this case it was Arabic. If you want me to make a Google Doc tutorial on a specific topic, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to make a tutorial on that. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.